put it off as long as possible. Oh, God. This has been going on for like a half hour. And then she'll get it and plop it in front of me. Here we go. There it is. Okay, hold on. Jeez Louise. I'll throw it back on my arm again.